Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can unhide posters from Facebook account. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. At the very bottom, tab menu. Then at top right corner, tap your icon. Then scroll down. Tap activity log. Your Facebook activity. Expand it. Posters. Expand it. Tap your posts, photos and videos. That's my posts. You see, it changed it to only me. If you want to add one by one to your profile, just tap the three dots. Then change audience, change it to public. You see, now from only me, change it to public. For example, you want to add multiple posts to your profile. For example, this one, and this one. Then tap the three dots here, change audience to public. Change. You see, change it from only me to public. If you want to add all together, tap the all, then three dots, change audience, select public and change.